Fish. Oh, the sun's popping out. You want to see the color of the sun? Look at the corner house. Look at the windows, how nice the sun is hitting it. Look at the sky in the distance. You can see how nice and sunny the color is. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. Issues people have. I'm happy with mine. I just expressed the issues that everybody shows and has. Some people have more than an issue of the camera. You ever talk to artificial intelligence? Well, DJI has that. Time to learn a new thing. Get up to better heights when you learn new things. This is the EV Nissan. That is cool. Called the Aria. A-R-I-A. Yeah, man. Maybe I pronounced it wrong, but that's the car. It's nice, if you like it. I had a gas leak detector I forgot to bring with me. I wanted to test for gas right over here. See if I smell gas, which I do. The sun went higher, so the tint of the windows don't show the sun no more. No more, no more, no more, no more. Like I'm shooting another day. Where did the sun color go? Not a beautiful day. The day is not sunny anymore. It's got a lot of clouds. It's supposed to be a nice warm day. Yes, indeed. A beautiful day to take your camera out and go grab a shot. The DJI is going to get an update. Normally, it should have happened at the end of February. If we don't see it by the end of February, stay tuned by early April. And that'll be how this camera will go after that. My last two videos, I stood here and I shot in DJI mode and subject tracking mode. And I know for sure that there is a difference in subject tracking. It crops in on the sensor in 2.7K. I got here a remote control. I'm just fooling around and pressing buttons. Do you see the buttons being pressed and all? Certain types of remote controls will work a camera or other things. Technology, man, from these companies overseas. One remote control works another, and another works another, and they just basically ruin your products at home. Things turn on by one remote control. Be careful. More or less, oh wow, man, if I should have turned my camera over there, watch that squirrel jump from the building to the tree. And you get the correct shot of me being the right size. Me being here in subject tracking matches over here, right here, regular video mode. This shot is H-Log-M, HDR mode. All my shots behind were 8-bit. I'm gonna switch back over to this shot here, a 10-bit regular color mode. We call it normal, 10-bit normal. All these names, and I'm gonna switch back over to H-Log, HDR mode, and finish off my video and see if you hate it. Oh man, I tilted my camera, but I'm on HB. Let's grab you anyway, and let's move on and finish off our video in H-Log-M. I'm on firmware V01030210. I will not update to V0103.0350. I don't need to have that updated version of neutral and vivid in the camera and the depths with the camera for underwater. I don't put my camera underwater, but I do go out in the sprinkle, the rain with it. DJI has made the camera look brighter just for the brightness in H-log-M. They want to tell you visually what you're in by keeping it up to 100% so you know what you're on. But that consumes more power when you have everything else of brightness of other settings set down to low. You cannot adjust it. It's locked in. You knew that, right? Blacks are blacker, white are white. Foreground and background are all different colors. And you see the issues when you got trees in it. Problem you also have is just having the sun smacking, not in your face, but smacking into the cameras, and skin toning, mapping, tone mapping, making you look like a cartoon. Well, the thing is, we used to have, and it was in the Action 1, you got it, face tracking, that you see a bracket and hitting a skin tone to turn it on or off. Are you going to be out there every single scene shot 360 degrees like a clock and taking a video and angling, pitch, roll, and yaw? No, you're not. So here on, I put it back to 10-bit normal, because my last two videos were 8-bit normal. Does it work for colorful days, bright days? Does it really work for a nasty foul day, overcast? Because I can't turn on H-log-DM and use HDR. HDR is built in. And to me, that makes no sense at all. You should have either a color mode with no HDR, HDR, or flat color. You shouldn't have a combination where H-log tone mapping is constant on of the whole camera. DJI, you outdid yourself, and we're proud of you for doing that. And people be in the Insta360 Ace Pro 2 and the GoPro Hero 13 if you cannot correct your camera. And on that note, I'm Fish. I hope you enjoy the camera as much as I do.